Cooling in the dark, sparking the homies up. I wonder what's in that little red bag. I'm trying to get turned the fuck up. Where my homies at? Damn, I don't believe in traitors. They so funny as alligators. Oh shit, my D. What is this? Just a Pacquiao? Oh damn. Nigga, I'm the elephant man. I stand my ground, never running with no giraffe, flamingo, no cheaters. I'm the elephant, nigga. I'm chillin' with my skin, motherfuckers. Can y'all pick me? I'm in the deal, motherfuckers. Man, I'm chillin' in the cut, motherfuckers. Can't nobody stop me from being in the cut, motherfuckers. Another day, another dollar. Keep the struggle real. My life ain't about to bother, so let me keep it still. I was scarred at a young age. Battle scars, nigga. I've been in this shit for a long lane. Fuck that. High life, Louis do. High till I die. Split from my mouth. Oh, I must go. Ho. I ain't no fool. Fuck the world. I don't care if y'all judge. Nigga, I'm that one with the strapper, man. I'm that one with the strapper. Yo, I'm that one with the strapper, bruh, bruh, bruh. I just showed you MTV Crips. Sooner or later, it's gonna be 10, 20 million times better than this. Shout out to my niggas who's trying to put that jam in the radio airwaves. I'm really trying to make it out there, man. Pepper Pace, Pepper Chase, MIA, I get high fly like Pepper Planes.